I wanted to highlight this because it was very interesting. Yesterday I posted that God has given us everything and He wants us to receive it. How do we receive it? By giving. And someone said, and being grateful. So giving was the key in receiving from God. I didn't know why. I just woke up with that thought on my mind and I felt like I should post it, so I did, not knowing what would happen. But I'm on to something here. So this morning I wake up and I'm looking for the word doodling, right? Doodling. Because I looked at Google, I said, that word reminds me of something, doodle. And there's another message in here we'll get to in another video. But here's what I wanted to, it says, we humbly ask, okay, our 2020 fundraiser will be over soon. 98% of our readers don't give. They look the other way. I found that interesting. There's a statistic in business, in online marketing, or a lot of businesses, that they fail. And if it's true that they say 98% of their readers don't give, there is a failure rate of about 90. A lot of people say it's 98%. That's why that figure caught my attention. So there's something to giving, and you don't have to give much. Look, if you donate $2.75 or whatever you can this Thursday, Wikipedia can keep thriving. $2.75 can keep them thriving. But most won't. 98% don't. So, my friend, there's something to giving. If you want to increase your odds of success, give. Start giving. Start giving. Don't wait until there is an abundance. Give out of what you have, because something happens when you give. You open the doors to receiving. In order to give, you have to open your hand. And when you give, those open hands can now receive. But if your hands stay closed, you're closed off to blessings that God would like to give to you. There's so many He's trying to put into your life, so many He's trying to help, but you won't open your hand because you think giving is losing. No, giving opens your hands to receiving. So yes, I'm going to give. I don't go to Wikipedia much, but I just can't. I have to give because it's just in the flow, right? So my friend, become a giver. Just a little bit, right? You can start with just a little bit. And this is also going to be something I'm going to initiate, and something else I believe the Lord is having me do, which is I'm really excited about. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, this is great. I'm going to see if I can post this over there, the video. This is cool.